Welcome Senior Balance Society subscribers. Today, we're gonna focus on a routine that's gonna help you out in the morning to establish a great foundation for the day. When most people wake up in the morning, what they do is they roll up out of bed, they might go brush their teeth, and then go get their newspaper, their coffee, or whatnot. The most important time to prime the body for balance is in the morning. It's the best time to prime for proprioception. It's the best time to get your neuromuscular system ready to take on the day safely and overcome any balancing obstacles or challenges that you face during the day. Let's go ahead and establish that routine today. First, before you get started, make sure that your area is clear. Make sure you have on tennis shoes and not sandals, and make sure you have your balancing aid with you, okay? I have my chair. Make sure it's on a non-stick or a non-slippery surface, I should say, okay? On this one, let's go ahead and get the neck loosened up, okay? We're gonna go neck circles, nice and slow. Keep your eyes straight ahead so you don't get dizzy. Stiffness in the neck is one of the most forgotten about things when it comes to balance. Take it in the other direction now. If you have a stiff neck, that can affect your body's proprioception. So let's get it all loosened up. One more time. Good, and relax. Balancing aid, okay? Let's use it. Left leg comes up off the ground, and let's take it in big circles. Gotta hold the chair for this one. Let's take it in big circles. Good, take it in the other direction now. Same leg, we're just going in the other direction. One more time. Good, and relax. You can just walk to the other side of your chair. For the camera's purpose, I'm just gonna slide it in front of the camera. Right leg now. Big circles, gotta hold the chair. You can hold on to your core. If that helps you balance, you can put your hand here on your waist. Everybody's different. Go in the other direction. Find which way works for you. Good, two more. 1 and 2, very good. So even though we're having a leg that's moving, where you should actually feel that is the leg that you're balancing on. You should start to feel it in the glutes a little bit. You should start to feel it in the hamstrings a little bit, okay? On this next one, you see how we're slowly building up. We start with the neck, we get our legs loosened up. Now let's go ahead and focus on a part of balance that's very forgotten about, which is ankle mobility. This is very important to do in the morning. Again, I still have my balancing aid. I'm gonna stick my foot out and let's point and pull. So we have plantar flexion and dorsiflexion happening here. Point and pull. Ankle mobility is extremely important when it comes to being able to maneuver into different positions throughout the day comfortably. And relax, good. Let's walk to the other side of your chair. I'm gonna move mine over. I have my balancing aid. Okay, you can have your hand on your hip here if you need to. I'm pointing and pulling that toe. Pull it as high as I can, and then I point it away as far as I can. Point and pull. Hold on to your balancing aid. Let's go 2 more. 1, 2, and relax. Very, very good. Okay, on this next one here, let's get the body going in another plane of motion, okay? So we've worked here on the sagittal plane. We've done some frontal plane movements. Okay, now let's do some rotational plane movements, okay, or transverse plane. All I'm gonna do here, as I step, okay, let's get the core loosened up a little bit. As I step to the left, I reach across the body with my right, okay? And we're gonna alternate, okay? So I'm gonna start here on my left, step and reach, come back, and then I alternate. Good. For the eyes, you can look in the direction that you're stepping. Get a big twist or a big rotation here. As you reach, this is a good one to stretch out. Good, let's go 2 more times. Ready? 2 more. 1, 2, and relax. Okay, throughout your day, you are going to be walking at some point, whether you're in the house or you're outside the house. Every time that we walk, we do a specific movement with our body, and we don't even realize it. It's called a contralateral movement. Here's what it looks like. I'm gonna walk towards the camera. Okay, what happened there? Opposite arm, opposite leg. Right arm, left leg. Left arm, right leg. Without even thinking, our body likes to move in opposites. That's how we like to balance as well. Usually when somebody leans forward, their glutes go backwards to counterbalance. Okay? If somebody steps towards a direction, they usually reach towards another way to help balance. Okay? We do that without thinking every day just by walking. So let's do an exercise that will prime the body for those opposite contralateral movements. On this one, you can have your chair right in front of you, okay? I'm gonna leave mine to the side so you can properly see me. But imagine I'm holding the chair. Let's work those contralateral moves with a reach above the head and the opposite knee comes up. So you're gonna see my left arm reach above with a right knee tuck. My right arm reach up with a left knee tuck. We're gonna alternate on this one. Good. Find a spot to stare at and keep your eyes fixated there. That helps with balance as well. Again, this is a morning routine. Shouldn't be too difficult. We're just priming the body for its daily movements, okay? Good, we have 2 more. 1 and 2, good. Go ahead and relax, okay? So we've worked a lot of dynamic movements. We've worked contralateral. Very important because you might find yourself in these situations throughout the day. Let's work isometric now, okay? Gonna hold on here and let's go ahead. All we're gonna do is raise one knee up and we're gonna hold. You can have your hand here or on the hip. It's up to you. Hold, keep that posture straight up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, good. And relax. Walk over to the other side of your chair as I move mine over here so you can see me. Okay, other leg up. Gonna hold this position, squeeze your core. Remember to breathe. A lot of times when we're holding a pose, people forget to breathe for some reason. Don't do that, that won't help you balance at all. Keep breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Very good. So if you check your watch, you'll see it doesn't take too long, right? Not a long routine, but it's a very important morning routine that I suggest you do when you first get out of bed, okay? After you go brush your teeth or after you go use the restroom, come back to your bedroom or to your living room, and before you do your newspaper, your coffee, your morning news, whatever the case is, knock out this very quick balance routine and you will see a big benefit throughout the day. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and stay tuned. We have a lot of great information, great tips, and great exercises to help you through your balancing journey. Again, I will see you next time. Good job today. Balance is something that can deteriorate quickly if you don't remain consistent. Let's not let that happen. Come join the Senior Balance Society today. You can even start a 7-day risk-free trial of a membership. This membership includes 2 new balance videos every single week that feature my reactive flow training. This is a method that I only teach to my members. Come find out more at seniorbalancesociety.com.